Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to let your phone decide what kind of wallpaper style you want on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So now Samsung has an ability where basically it suggests you on what kind of wallpaper style you should have. So let me show you how to play around with this style. So first go ahead and lock your screen, tap on your screen, now long press on it. Now go ahead and unlock it to edit it. Now at the bottom left, you'll see suggest. Go ahead and tap on suggest. And now it'll basically analyze the current wallpaper and it'll show you the different styles it can apply on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So go ahead and browse through these and go ahead and choose the one that you like. If you don't like it, go ahead and tap on suggest again. It'll then rethink and use AI and we'll show you a different option. Now once you're happy, tap apply, and now that lock screen style has been applied on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to let your phone decide or suggest the lock screen style and font on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.